Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best plastic netting mesh for your garden, pets, and DIY projects. The MAPORCH Black Plastic Wire Mesh Fence. If you're someone who needs reliable, durable fencing for poultry, rabbits, snakes, or even for creating safe enclosures for your pets, this product is exactly what you've been searching for. The MAPORCH Black Plastic Wire Mesh Fence comes in a convenient 15.7-inch by 10-foot roll, perfect for a wide variety of applications. Made from high-strength 500 GSM ABS plastic, this mesh offers superior durability compared to traditional metal fences. Unlike plastic-coated wire, this material is metal-free, ensuring it won't rust or corrode over time, making it ideal for outdoor conditions. One of the main advantages of this plastic mesh is its versatility. Whether you're using it to create a chicken coop, build a rabbit pen, or secure your garden from critters, the MAPORCH mesh is up to the task. It's easy to cut to size and can be installed with just standard tools like zip ties, which means no specialized skills are required. Plus, the non-metal construction means it doesn't have sharp edges, making it safer to handle compared to traditional wire fences. The black color of this mesh adds a sleek, professional look to your backyard or garden. It blends seamlessly with your surroundings, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a functional yet aesthetically pleasing solution. And with its long-lasting strength, you can rest assured that this fence will hold up well against both weather conditions and wear. Another great feature is its easy installation. The plastic mesh roll is lightweight, which makes it simple to handle and maneuver during setup. If you're using it for pet enclosures, it's perfect for creating a safe, reliable barrier for both cats and small dogs. It's also an excellent option for balcony netting, offering a secure environment for your pets to roam without the worry of escape. Whether you're looking to add a bit of extra security to your garden or need a reliable solution for animal enclosures, the MAPORCH Black Plastic Wire Mesh Fence is a top contender in the world of plastic netting solutions. With its strong construction, ease of installation, and sleek appearance, this fence is perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. That wraps up today's review of the MAPORCH Black Plastic Wire Mesh Fence. If you're in need of high-quality, durable fencing that's both safe and effective, this is definitely worth considering. Make sure to check out the link in the description for more details and to get your own roll today. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.